A study conducted by researchers at UCLA noted that women rate men with muscular physiques as more attractive and desirable. The reason for this is simple. The man with a muscular physique projects strength, health, and good genes. Juxtapose this with the man who's weak, skinny, or overweight, and you can see why women find muscular men more attractive. At this point, it's important to note that a good muscular physique shouldn't be confused with a bad muscular physique. After dealing with hundreds of clients over the years and witnessing the benefits of working out firsthand, I'm of the belief that developing a strong body is one of the most important things a man can do to improve his life. Not only does working out improve your health, it also makes you look infinitely more attractive. The benefits of working out: you'll boost your immune system, you'll increase your mental strength, you'll increase your testosterone, you'll become more sexually attractive, you'll get more respect from men and women, you'll increase your strength and bone density, you'll project greater strength and masculinity, you'll reduce your risk of depression and anxiety. A lot of men resist working out, often citing busy work schedules or hectic lifestyles as an excuse to avoid the gym. Keep in mind, this way of thinking is indicative of the unattractive man. Research conducted by UCLA provides a healthy dose of motivation for men who are still reluctant to work out. The UCLA study examined how likely women are to pursue men who are more muscular than average, or if muscles are even a factor when it comes to attraction. The results of the study found that women aren't just more attracted to men who are more muscular. Women are more likely to chase and pursue muscular men to have short-term affairs and romantic relationships. Once you summon the mental fortitude to push through the initial pain barrier that comes with working out, you'll not only strengthen your body, you'll strengthen your mind as well, making you that much more attractive in the process.